My name's Michelle, and I am the Teen Librarian at the Forest Park Library of the Public Library of Cincinnati and Hamilton County. And today we're going to be doing our own DIY phone speaker project. And so let's get going. So for your supplies for this project, you will need a cardboard tube from some paper towels, a utility knife or a pair of scissors, a pen or pencil to draw with, a plastic or paper cup, some duct tape to decorate at the end, and of course, the musical device you're going to use, your phone or what have you. Alright, so let's get started. The first thing you're going to want to do is take a pen and take the cardboard tube and put it up to the cup, and you're going to trace around it with a pen. You want to do this carefully because you want to make sure it's the exact size of your cardboard tube, because this is what's going to make the speaker when we're finished. So you want to go ahead and do that good. Then you're going to take your pair of scissors and you're carefully going to cut out around that opening to make sure that, again, when you put the tube in, it fits nice and tight, so there's not a lot of wiggle room for it. You may also want to use a utility knife to get started if you're using plastic. Just be careful and take your time. Alright, so when you are done with that, what you are going to do is you're going to take that cardboard tube, put it in the cup, and this is in essence going to be your speaker. The cardboard tube is going to funnel this down into the cup. And the next thing you want to do is you want to cut a slit at the opposite end in the tube from the cup so that your device, your phone, your music player, whatever, will fit. When you're done with that, what you're going to do is you're going to put your music device, in this case phone, put it in so the speakers are going into the tube so the sound will be shunted down the tube into the cup. And afterwards you can cover it with duct tape and decorate it however you want. And that is our DIY phone speaker. Thank you very much.